Hello and welcome to this video lecture presentation on evaluating expressions by plugging in a value part 2. So we're going to look at some more difficult functions to plug in for. So here I have a g of t function. Please don't get hung up on the label. It's just a label. If you want, you can say f of t, f of x, and then change this accordingly. That's fine. Alright, so you want to find g of a3. So what does that mean? That means that wherever I see t in my function, I want to replace it with a to the third. So it's going to be a to the third raised to the second power over 2 times a to the third plus 1. So I'm going to get a to the sixth over 2a to the third plus 1. So that's all we're doing. Let's look at another example. So what we're doing here is I'm replacing y with a plus 1. Notice f of y, what's in parentheses is y here. Well, now I want f of a plus 1. So I'm replacing y with a plus 1. That's 5 minus 4 times a plus 1 squared. So this is going to expand out into 4 times the quantity a plus 1 times a plus 1. So I'm going to get 5 minus 4 times, now we'll FOIL this, a squared plus 2a plus 1. Now I'm going to distribute the minus 4 by multiplication. I'm going to get 5 minus 4a squared minus 8a minus 4. And then I'm going to combine like terms to get f of a plus 1 being equal to minus 4a squared minus 8a plus 1, because this 5 is assumed to be plus 5 minus 4 is plus 1. I have one more example for you. So what we want to do is there's two things we want to do. I want to first replace x with 3x. So what that's going to look like is f of 3x is going to be equal to 8 times 3x plus 3. So that's going to give me 24x plus 3. So that's f of 3x, what this is equal to. Now I want 3 times of f of x. So 3 times f of x is equal to 3 times the entire f of x function. So what does that give me? 24x plus 9. So now what I want to do is I want to take f of 3x, which is this, and subtract it by 3 times f of x, which is this. So it's going to look like this. 24x plus 3 minus, now the 3f of x is all of this, right? So the entire thing has to get subtracted. So I'm going to get 24x plus 3 minus 24x minus 9. So you have to distribute the minus sign. The 24x's go away, and I'm going to end up getting 3 minus 9, which is minus 6. And that is how you take a function and then you plug in a value to see what that corresponding value is going to be. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope this was easy to follow. I wish you luck with this material. Have a good one. Bye-bye.